Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome back to Tesla's Wild. If you're new here, my name is Colin. Thanks for stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Okay, so I just had something crazy happen to me here. I was leaving my house to go dog sit for a friend a little ways away, and when I was leaving my neighborhood, I was on autopilot on a dark straightaway, and all of a sudden a deer popped out in front of me. So I wanted to make this video just to kind of do a PSA, a public service announcement, to always be aware when you're on autopilot or just driving in general. Make sure that you're paying attention because autopilot did not recognize this deer at all. I wish I had more footage of the inside, but there was absolutely no recognition, and all I have is the dash cam footage, so I apologize. It's not great resolution, but I just wanted to say, please be careful out there. Make sure you're always paying attention while on autopilot or off autopilot. You just never know what's going to be out there. It wasn't a super close call, but it was close enough. So I'll show you guys this footage now. Alright, so there you have it. Not a lot to see autopilot-wise. I was in autopilot, but just be careful when you're in this sort of situation. I live in an area where there are a lot of animals, and autopilot did not pick this one up. You can hear the dog whining over there. But anyways, make sure you're always paying attention. Be careful out there. Autopilot is a great system, but it still has a long ways to come with things like this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Please make sure to like and subscribe below if you enjoyed it. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you guys next video.